Hi, welcome to the Capital Region Skinny from the Greater Capital Association of Realtors, where we dig into the most recent numbers from our market. Let's jump right in. Think global, act local. With the European debt crisis, oil spills, and disappointing job growth figures putting stress on the stock market, the local housing market didn't fare much better. Buyers were tough to come by in June, as pending sales posted a nearly 34% decrease from June 2009 to arrive at 622 purchase agreements signed. Many would-be June buyers already bought during the credit period. It is clear that the tax credit has shifted May and June buyers forward into March and April. Consequently, inventory levels increased slightly by 2.1% compared to last year as active listings stepped up to 8,355 units. But prices were surprisingly resilient and stood their ground firmly, even in the face of the enemy known as declining demand. The June median sales price of $190,000 was a delightful 4.4% increase over last June. Given the current demand picture, that is a major win. But keep in mind that this figure reflects the mix of homes that closed in June but were pended during the tax credit. Negotiations made their seasonal migration back toward the seller's favor. The June percent of original list price received at sale increased almost 1 percentage point to land at 94% of their initial asking price. What comes next? Well, our crystal ball is in the repair shop at the moment, but one thing is crystal clear. Interest rates cannot hang out down here forever. It is somewhat surprising that mortgage rates are at 50-year lows and demand remains relatively weak. Again, whether this is a short-term blip or a forerunner to a long-term demand cooldown remains to be seen. The next generation of buyers will enter the marketplace. They always do. But for now, many in the industry are feeling the effects of the demand vacuum caused by the tax incentive shifting buyers forward in time. In the meantime, tax credit buyers are feeling a lot less stressed since Congress recently extended the closing date to September 30th if you purchased before the April 30th deadline. So closings may reap a slight benefit from this piece of legislation. Other than that, expect the market to stay mostly flat or post minor improvements over the near term. That's the Capital Region Skinny for this month. Tune in next month for the latest.